Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my wall art project. In part 1 I showed you guys my inspiration and I showed you guys all the materials. So now it's time to execute. And like I said in the first video, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is only my second time doing this type of texture art and I'm using a different method this time. So y'all are just watching me trial and error with my madness. So yeah. Okay, so first order of business was to add the bandana to the canvas. I did this by using the hot gun glue. So yeah, basically I turned the canvas over and I kind of positioned the bandana where I wanted it to go. I didn't cover the whole canvas at the front, but I wanted to make sure that the back was secured. So I basically just folded and scrunched up the ends and went in with the glue gun, as you'll see here. So far this was the easiest part of the project. I'm basically just trying to pre-create curves and things with the fabric. They won't be set in stone until I'll put the plaster on, but that's the whole gist of putting the fabric, because you kind of pre-create those different curves, the different levels of depth that you would like. So yeah, the easiest part so far. Okay, so now that the back is finished, I'm going to go ahead and adhere the front. So I'm just using some Elmer's craft bond glue. This is all-purpose glue. It's stronger than the regular Elmer's glue, and it's for like fabric and stuff like that. So I'm just going to take that and adhere the edges of the bandana. The edges of the bandana to the canvas, as you can see. Okay, so the mixture I'm using is plaster, water, and glue. I'm not using any specific measurements. I'm just basically eyeballing all of the ingredients and getting into the consistency that I like. Basically, that pancake batter mixture consistency. Okay, y'all, so basically a whole clip got deleted from my camera. I don't know what happened, and I can't find it anywhere. But basically I took that mixture and just poured it on top of that bandana, and I started to create some folds. I let that dry for 24 hours, and now I'm about to start the second coat of the plaster mixture. Okay, guys, so the hardest part of this project was getting the plaster to the thickness that I would like. It was still kind of opaque with each layer, and I think I stopped at the third layer and it was okay. The main thing is getting the folds before the plaster dries, and I have, as you can see, I have like two main folds and creases, but my next one I think I'm gonna do more creases and folds. So yeah, this is what I have so far. It doesn't look like the artist that I showed y'all in part one, but I think I have a solution for that, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I've allowed the art piece to dry for like 2 or 3 days now. Now I'm just gonna go in with my base. This is gesso or gesso, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but basically this is my first time using it. So basically this is gonna keep the paint that you put on, it's a primer, and it's gonna keep the paint that you put on top of it like this matte finish, and it's also gonna make it poreless or something dealing with the pores. But I actually really enjoyed it. I did go ahead and paint it, and y'all see that in the next video. But yeah, I'm definitely adding gesso or gesso to my art process.
but in the worst way. You might have told your man it was a real birthday. Meanwhile, the champagne chillin' the ice. You ready for the freakiest days?